Okay. So today we'll cover some topics. Okay. So here, um, before I'm going to create a floor, so I want to place some components like chairs, uh, uh, tables, some like plumbing, furniture. Okay. Those kind of some utilities. So those kind of components from where it will store. So how to bring that to here. So that will tell you today. Okay. So I'll go to my ground level as usual, my ground level. Okay. So here, so this is my partition now. Okay, here I'm going to modify some walls. I don't want this plan. I'll just create one hall, some bedrooms, some living rooms kind of things we create. Okay. Then we can this. Okay. So right now, what I will do now, I'll cut here. Yeah. I'll trim this portion. Here one door is one window, so that's why it's something. Okay, I'll trim here around this much. Now, okay. So I will delete here. So, Ashwini, can you please turn off your camera? Okay, I want to edit this floor means so you can select, can go to edit boundary, click here. So the magenta line will show here. Okay, so I'll adjust here. If you want, you can move. Once again, there is a arrow option, no? Up, down. Okay, so you can control by using this line, this also. Okay, I'll move from here somewhere here. Okay, so this is my floor here. So here, I'll delete all these doors here right now. Okay. So I'm going to create some big wall. I'll take some partition walls, that is 150 mm. So here I'm going to create, and there some rooms here. So I'll align from here to here. Okay. So do you know align command, right? Yes, align command. Okay. So assume this is a living room, and I'll create one more room. This is my kitchen. Okay. I'll change the wall thickness. So right now I'll take 200 mm. These walls. Okay. So these are my floor plan. Okay. This assume this is a living room. This is one bedroom. This is one bedroom. Okay. So these are the two washrooms. Okay. So here I want to place different types of doors and windows, and I need to place some utility parts like utilities and some furniture, some beds, kind of things I want to place. Okay. For that, first I'll try to place a door. When I click the door, it is showing only one family, like a single type of door. Okay. I want different types of door means you have to go to component. Okay. So click on the component, drop down. So here we have two options. One is place a component, one is model in place. So right now I'll discuss about place a component. So model in place I'll discuss later. Okay. So go to place a component. Here we have load family. Okay. So that is my so the furniture, doors and other family types. I want to load that family. Okay. I'll click the this one. Okay. In the initial class, I've told you. So where the templates files are in saved. Initial class I've told. Did anyone remember? So in C drive. Okay. Sometimes it will come directly. If it is not there means we have to go to C drive. Here here check program data. Double click on this. Here we have Autodesk. Okay, here go to RVT 2020. So initially we have taken templates because which template you are going to work, that template we have selected. Here now you have to go to libraries. In this library, we have the regions, country regions. So I'm going to take India. Here we have some of the folders. Okay, these folders are the family folders. Right now, I want to place a different types of doors. Here I can find doors. Click on the doors. See here some commercial doors. We'll check the commercial door. What is the commercial door? So commercial door means like a hospitalities, like shopping malls. So those kind of buildings we can use the commercial. Okay, and this is the hardware. So hardware is like factories. Okay, so those kind of those we can use. Okay. So these are the some hardware. Oh, sorry, hardware means like that handles kind of things. Okay. So here we have some residential doors. So right now I'm working on the residential project means I'll take the residential. So you can select any of your door that's your convenient. Okay. So right now I'm going to take this double door. Okay. So this is the double door with a glass panel. Okay. This I'm going to take. So you need to open. Click on the open. You need to select which size you are going to give. So I'll select topmost size. Click on OK. This is some family issues. It's not taking. I'll try another. I'll try with the lower size. Okay, these are some family issues. Try to take one more time. Okay, few of the doors are not loading because there is some family issues. Okay, family issues means so if that door family is like a higher version, the drawback of Revit is if you work on the higher version, you cannot come back to the lower version. So that is the drawback of Revit. Okay, they cannot come back. See, for example, if you work in the AutoCAD, it will say automatically either 2018 version, lower version will say, but here we cannot save like. Okay. Okay, some of the families are loading, some of the families not loading. Okay, so I'm taking this door. Okay, can select this one. So I'll place here. It's an entrance door. I'll place here. So this is my door. Similarly, you have to select for windows also. Okay. You can go to load family, can go back, and here I can find windows folder. Select the windows. Here we have nested family. So in future, while teaching the families, no, at the time I'll explain what is a nested family. Okay. So here, so you can see different types of doors are there. Sorry, windows are there. Okay. So right now I'm going to take this window. Okay. I'll select, can specify the size, the size. It is loading. So we can place value on. Okay. I'm placing here, for kitchen I'm placing, and for bedrooms. Okay. So this is my washroom for the washrooms, like for the bathrooms. You cannot place the normal one. So there is some ventilator. Okay. You need to similarly can go to same family. Can see, can find some ventilators. Check one by one. Yes, some ventilators are not available. Okay, here's okay. So this will take. Okay. So this is one kind of ventilator. Okay. So this I'll take. Okay. So I'm placing here. Can check the size. So where it is placed. So it is placing here. So I want to place somewhere here. So in this case, you have to change the sill height. Okay. So I will change it. What is the height for the ventilator from the floor to ventilator height? 70. Okay. Okay, I have placed some ventilators here. Now I want to place some more components. Okay. Similarly, you have to go to component, load a family. You check all the folders. Okay. So here I want to place some furnitures. Okay. So I want to place some beds. Okay. Can see, can get some types of beds. Okay. With the bed, press tab, space bar. You can rotate in which direction you want to place. Okay. I'll place here. Similarly, I'll copy. I'll place here. So where you want, you can place your beds. Okay. If you want to change the size means, you can change the sizes also. Okay. So I have placed my some bed components. I want to place some more furniture means similarly this time. So I have explained how to place the beds. Similarly, you can try the tables, chairs. It is available in the same folder. Okay, in families only to load family. Now I'm going to take some plumbing. Okay, go to plumbing, architecture, here equipment. So here some water heaters are there. I want to place some water heater. Okay, so that should be, you can place somewhere. It is showing some WH means water. Okay, so I don't want water heater now. I'll take some utilities. Okay, that utilities you can find here will come under mechanical. Checking. So these are the some pipes. Okay, so that folder is not available. Check one by one. Set some openings. Set some planting. Set some plants. Okay, here only. This plumbing only. Go to architecture. Go to fixtures. Okay, in this fixtures you can able to find some bathtub, some drain, some shower, some water closets. Okay, so I want to place some water closets. Okay, you can find some western kind of things. Okay, so I'll select this one. Okay, I'm going to place here. So when you move cursor here, so it will place on the walls. Okay, I'm placing here, and I want to place some more, like some bathtubs. Okay, I want to place some bathtubs here. So where you want, you can place. Similarly, you can try for other equipments also. Okay, so this is how to place the components. If you have to go to the component, place a component. Here you can find all categories of the components. Okay, I'll try to place some furniture also. Seating. So you can see here some sofa sets is available. I'll place somewhere here. Okay, so we'll check in 3D how it looks like. So here I have placed my see that water closet. Why it's not showing? Because you need to do some changes. Okay. So here go to VV, visibility graphics. Here turn on the plumbings. Under the plumbings, it is turned on. We'll check in the realistic view. No need to give any fixing details, but it should come here. Some visibility graphics. Okay. Okay, that I'll discuss later. I'll check and let you know why it's not visible. Okay. So other than that, you have to place. So you can place your your furniture kind of things. Okay. So in kitchen also creating some openings here. For kitchen item also you can find some kitchen items here. Okay. Like a stove, gas stoves. Okay. Some electrical systems. Okay. So those things will you can check all the folders. Check whichever you want you can place. Okay. And yeah, so this is how to place the component. Okay. Sorry. Kitchen counter. Okay, that's slab, right? Yeah, that we'll discuss in the how to model and place. That's why I told. Right now we are just will discuss about to place a component. So this will discuss later. At the time, I will tell you how to place the sink. In that yeah, yeah, a standard it should be there now. So how to place the sink, how to place the gas stoves, kind of things. I'll discuss later. Okay. So this is some basic components how to place. Okay. And other than that, yeah. So right now we have placed some components. Okay. Now I'm going to cover. So this column I'll tell you later. Okay. Once we get that, I'll give some sample drawings. Okay. By tomorrow or Monday, I'll give some sample CAD drawings. So I'll tell you how to import the CAD drawing to Revit. So by using that plan, we'll create a 3D model. Okay. So in that time, I'll explain to place the component. Okay. So now everything I was created here. Now I want to create a roof. Okay. Here, if I want to create a roof means I have to go to my second level. Okay, I'm going to first floor. So this is my first floor. So if you want to create any ceiling means, okay, you have to go to ceiling plans. Okay, go to ceiling plan. This is your first floor. So this is your ceiling plan. Okay, but right now I'm not going to create any ceiling plan. So where the ceiling plan will come, I'll discuss later. Okay. So because my height is right now 3 feet. Okay, when you're going to like a office, like a commercial buildings, at the time ceilings plans will come. So what is the purpose of their providing ceiling means? If the ducts, some cables is running means, to in between the slab and ceiling, between the gap only the ducts and the HVAC system everything will run. Okay. So in that case, a ceiling will be provided. Okay. So right now I'm not going to create any ceiling plan. Directly I'll go to floor. Sorry, roof. Okay. Go to roof. Select a roof here. I'll select by roof by footprint. Okay. So here there is some offset option. Okay. So I'll take 100 mm offset. Okay. Okay. So this offset is 100 mm. Okay. Here, see. So if you want to see the thin line or thick line means this is the thin line, thick line. Okay. And this option, I'll click here. So I want to measure what is the difference between from. Okay. So I'm unable to select this end line. In this case, you have to press tab. You can select this line. Okay. Just tab. So this is 100 mm. Okay, I'll click OK. I'll check in 3D view. You can see here. So this is this on slope kind of roof. Okay. If you want to create a flat roof means I'll delete this roof. I'll explain once again. To architecture, to roof by footprint. So roof by extrusion by face, this we'll discuss later. Okay. Roof by footprint. I'll select. Here we have defined slopes. When you uncheck the defined slopes, that slope it won't come. Okay. So I'll go to 100 mm. Oh. Okay. So you will get one doubt how to check whether it's have slope or not. Okay. See here, if I click this one means so some right angle triangles. So that will indicate that slope. Okay. If I turn off means okay. So this is my here. So this is the how to create roof. Okay. So till this, anyone have any doubt? You can change the roof thickness also. Basically, what is the slab thickness? 6 inch means in mm? 150, 150, 150 or 180. Okay. So here I don't have 150 mm. So same procedure, how I explained for the edit the walls. Similarly, go to edit type to duplicate. Roof hyphen 150 mm PHK. PH means thickness. Okay. Okay. So this is the, you need to duplicate first, then you need to edit the structure. So here we have 150. The material you can select. So mostly we'll provide for the concrete. Okay. So concrete, this time I'll take this one. You okay? And okay. See, this is your roof. Okay. So this is how to create the roof. Okay. Sometimes I want to two side slopes. So if you can see the US computer, mostly they'll prefer the roof type one, because why they are, yeah, we can adjust the slopes. Okay. So why they are using the roof kind of houses means snow will be more. Okay. If they have platform means the snow will fall there, then it will store some water, some kind of things. So mostly they'll prefer the roof. Okay. Sorry, yeah. So, here I want to edit the roof means go to edit footprint. Again, select this side. I want this side and this side. I want slope. Okay. You find the slope. Find the slope. Here you can. So you are asking the slope degrees. So here you can change it. Okay. If you want 45 degree means it will come 45 degrees. Okay. I'll just say okay. See here. It will come like this. Okay. But I don't want. I want 35 degree. Okay. But here I have some gaps. I need to fill the gaps. Okay. So for that, select the wall. Here we have some two options. Attach top to base. Okay. You need to select the wall. Base control. Select the attach top to base. You okay. So automatically this will attach here. Got it? Similarly here also attach top to base. So like this we can add a slope size. Okay. So this is how edit the roof. Now to create the roof, how to edit the roof channel. Okay. See here, this is some levels are showing here. I don't want to see these levels means go to VV. Either you can hide or you can turn off the visibility graphics. Okay. So if you want to hide this means select all the floors. Here we have your right click. You have hide option. So hide elements. Yeah. That is one option. Another option is okay. So another option is to view. Here you can find the hide. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right click, hide the elements. Okay. If you want to turn on the hidden elements means, so here in the bottom, there is a reveal hidden elements. There is some bulb kind of option. So yes, click here. It's in magenta color. you can find this floors levels. Okay. Here you can unhide the element. Otherwise, you can right click unhide view elements. Okay. So unhide elements. And if you want to come out from this hidden elements, so give this option. Directly it will come like this. Okay. So right now I'll hide this one. Okay. So this is how to create the roof. Okay. So till this, anyone have any doubts? No doubts, right? Okay. So right now I don't want this roof kind of floors. I'll take a flat only, flat roof only. Yeah, okay. Go down below. I'll make this floor a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is how to create the roof. Okay. Now I'm going to cover some annotation too. I want to measure something. I want to give some tags and all this. I'll cover the annotation tools. Okay. I want to measure this length means go to linear. Okay. So go to linear option. So this command is available here. Okay. So you can type AL, sorry, not AL, align DI. AL for align command, DI for dimension. Okay. Click on the align command. So you will get the dimension. Similarly, you can the dimension here. From center to center. So I want to give. Okay, you want to take exterior to exterior dimension, right? So that's what I don't know. So go to dimension command. You press your tab command. So that will show. Then you press the tab no. So it will show like a center or exterior, interior. Okay. So yeah. As of now, I'll take center to center. Okay. So this is my window. So automatically it will take the center. Okay, here also. So each and every dimension I have to show. Okay. I don't want this much decimal place. Okay, let it be. So this is align the dimension. It's a align dimension. Here we have some linear. So, okay. So it will select some point to point. So you can able to find some small points. Okay. So like this also can create the okay. And this is angular. This is angular. So I want to check this to this how much. This is angular command. Okay. And another one is diameter. Okay. Here I'm going to create one circular. Okay. I created one circular. Here I want to place some. I want to place the uh, diameter. You can select the diameter. Click here. It will show some dotted lines that will indicate the center. So the diameter of the wall is 1893.9. This is the diameter. And for I'll create some arc here. Okay. I want to see the arc length. Okay, here go to annotate. Here we have arc length. Okay. Take some lines. Okay. So that arc length is not satisfied. That's why it's not taking the arc length. Okay. So if you want to check the arc length means it's not satisfying the arc length. Try it another arc. Okay. So it's not satisfying the arc length. So in arc length, and I'll explain in the family when you're getting the family. No? So in that case, I'll explain how to add the arc parameter. I'll explain it. Okay. So here we have some spot elevation. So okay. So basically in AutoCAD, if you want to check the elevation, what we'll do? We'll do some calculations, we'll do some measurements and all. But here, when you click the spot elevation, so directly you can check the spot elevation. Okay. See, this floor is in 0 level. Okay. So when you click on the wall, so this top of the wall is 1200. So like this, you can create the spot elevation. Okay. And here, spot coordinates. You can, so north, east will show. Okay. So these coordinates and all I'll discuss when you're creating the put in the survey data, creating surface. No, at this case, we can use the coordinate system. Okay. So this is some basic annotation commands. Okay. And here in architecture only. Okay. So yesterday I told no. So I have placed the door, but I want to edit the doors. Okay. So if you can select the door, go to edit type. Here we have some options. Okay. So okay. Here the dimension you can see the materials. The material name is cherry. The width of the door is 1500. You can change the your door width also 2 meter. I'll take. Height is basically 2 meter is there. Okay. Some rough width. Okay. 4050 mm. Okay. So it means the rough width means from here to. So this is the rough width. Okay. Measure here and check. So this is the rough width. Okay. You want to see the rough width means. So when you select here, no, it is showing some lines here. Okay. So that will be pictured in the inside of the wall. Okay, that is the rough width. Okay. Similarly, so thickness of the door is 35 mm. Okay. And the panel width is 750 mm. So you can check all the dimension. You can change one by one. So you see the changes what's happening. Okay. So that you can do yourself. And other than that, today, yeah. Okay. So here we have covered wall command, we have covered door, we have covered window, we have covered, and how to place the components, we have covered. How to create a roof, we have covered. Okay. And then we have covered some modify tools, how to copy, how to mirror, these things we have covered, and some annotation tools we have covered. Okay. And okay. Now I'll go to view option. Here we have some view options. Okay. So this will see here. In this view, we have some like default 3D view, camera view, walkthrough view, and section. So these four command will see now. Okay. Okay. Why I'm telling these things and all means once you practicing your project, no. So these things and all will be used. Okay. These are some major commands. Okay. So right now I'm standing here. Okay. I'm standing here. I want to see this furniture, these sofas. Okay. So for that, I'll go to camera. So some camera options show here. I'll place the camera here. I'll show here. See, can I able to see? Okay, or not. Okay, so this is the camera view. Similarly, you can see here. This was those windows we can see. So this is the uh, camera view. Okay. So walkthrough. Right now, walkthrough is I'll explain later. Okay. So when you complete all full project, no? So at the time walkthrough we can walkthrough basically. So if I'm coming to this room, I'm checking, I'm seeing all these rooms. Similarly, we can see in this by using this walkthrough command. Okay. And another command is see, this is section command. Okay, basically, what is this section? If you are cutting any, see, this is a table. I want to cut this section vertically. If I'm standing here, I'm seeing this portion. So, okay. So basically in AutoCAD, we have to sketch everything, we have to draw everything. Here, no need to draw anything. Okay. Just go to section. Okay. In view, here we have section option. Otherwise, in the top menu, you can see the section. From the section, okay. See, I'm cutting here. This is my section. So here in the property box, you can see for clip offset. Okay. So I will make it 500 mm. See, the distance will see. So this is your limit. Okay. It means, so if you are standing here, cutting section from here to here, this dot will show here. Okay. So this is your limit from where you can extend. Okay. So I want to see only this view and right click, go to view. I'll change the view scale here. I'll make it 1:50. Here you can see the wall properties. Okay, because I'm cutting through this wall also. See here, this section. So this is your plastering, outside plaster and inside plaster. So this is the wall. This is your floor. So this is your seatings. Okay. So if you created the section, you can able to find the sections here. Okay. You can find the section. It is called section building section. Okay. So you can click here. The section is section. You can check here. Okay. So like this, we can create multiple sections. Okay. If I want to cut only, so I want to cut here. Okay. I just want to see this window. Okay. Check here. Okay. So this is the how to get this section. Okay. So these commands will be useful. Now, going to first floor, sorry, ground level. I want to create some steps, staircase. Okay. So for that, I'll go to my first floor. So I'll extend my roof here. Here somewhere here. I'll align here to here. Okay. I give OK. So here I'll explain how to create a staircase and how to create a stair opening. Okay, that I'll explain here. Okay. So basically the stair will start from one level to another level. Okay. So what are the types of staircase? So dog-leg staircase and spiral staircase and some U shape, some L shape. Yeah. So those kind of staircases there. So if you can click the stair here, the architecture tab, you can find staircase. The staircase. Here we have. So this is straight. Here we have some spiral. Okay, this is center end spiral. This is some semi spiral. So this is some L shape. This is U shape. Okay. So here I'm going to take straight one. See here. Here run width is 1 meter. Basically, what is the width of the stair? Okay, raised height 150 VN. Okay. The noise? Yeah, no, sorry, noise or nose. Yeah, nose. Yeah, nose. Okay. So basically, what is the purpose of nose will provide? Yeah, mostly they'll provide for gripping. So when you, if you can some residential commercial buildings, so it will be some, it will be like a rough, yeah, because when you're placing your leg, sorry, if you foot, yeah, it should not be the smooth surface. It should be some rough surface. For safety purpose, they'll provide the nose. Okay. So here, I'm going to create one staircase here. So I'm starting from here. Okay. So this is total numbers, 16 numbers are there. Okay. I'll start and take 8 numbers. Okay. Then see here, 2.3 meter is the landing width taking. So later also you can edit. Okay. So this is some one type of dogleg staircase. Checking threading. Because I have drawn from first floor. That is coming in the first floor. Okay. You can select, change it to ground floor. Okay. So it is starting from here. Here we have landing. Here some this is my landing. This is my first floor. Okay. Here I want to create some opening here. Okay. So for that, so in staircase, there are a lot of things are there. I'll explain while explaining this model in place. No, I'll explain this time. Okay. So here, this is a basic staircase. If you want to change this, like a railings and all this, you can change by type, pipe, kind of things. Okay. So when you're doing, no, when you're doing Revit, these things are get like interest. You'll get some more interest, some excitement. This is the specialty of Revit. Okay. Here I want to create some opening. Okay. I'll go to first floor. I'll make wireframe. I'll just make a wireframe. Okay. See, this is up. Okay. So if you're coming here, so going like this. Okay. Create some openings here. That opening where we have to create, they have to create in the roof. Okay. Select the roof. Here, edit the footprint. You can how much you want. You can about this much. Secondary view. Okay. So like this, you can create the opening. Okay. Select the roof and you can edit here. It depends on the your designer, your architecture. So they'll give them all the details. So this is how to create the. Okay. Similarly, we'll check other types of stairs. Okay. We'll go to the ground level. Here, I'll go to same stair. In the stair, there is a lot of options in there. I'll discuss one by one. Okay. So here I'm explaining types of states. So here, what is the landing, how to provide supports, and all. This we'll discuss later. And this is a spiral. Yeah, somewhere I'm creating spiral. Created here. You can check here. Video. So this is a spiral. Okay. And so this is some semi-spiral. Okay. Okay. Let me check in video. So this is the semi-spiral. Okay. And we have another staircase. To ground floor staircase. So this is L shape. So this will come directly. Okay. So from ground floor to top floor, it is taking total 16 numbers of. It will take automatically based on the distance. It will take automatically. Okay. I'm placing here. So you need to click the tick mark, green and red. If you're clicking the into mark, so that will it won't save. It means see here. So this is some L shape. Okay. And if you can go to your another one. So stay, go to U shape. Okay. You can press your space bar, so it will rotate. Okay. Using here, you can check in. Video. So this is the U shape. Okay. So these are the types of staircase. Okay. Well, you can practice when you are doing your practice session. No, you can try with all the staircase. We'll give you some example, some CAD drawings or PDFs. You can practice through that sample PDF shot. Okay. So in this, if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No doubt.
At the slab. Okay. Just select the slab first. Go to your roof level. In the 3D also you can cut. But here, exactly you cannot specify where you want to cut. That's why you have to go to your level, first floor. Okay, because my slab is placed at the first floor. For example, I want to create some shaft opening or a lift opening and all. Okay. Assume here I'll create an opening. Okay, so you can specify the length also, how much length. So this is also you can. So the opening will come. Yeah, any doubts you can ask me. Yeah, below they'll provide some ramp kind of thing. Yeah. Now we have to create some like some floor kind of things we need to create. Okay. So yeah, that's why I don't know. Those things will come under the modeling place. Okay. So that is separate topic. So what I'm not doing here now. So if you learn those topic, you can do anything in it. You can do any model. If I give this pen, you can easily can do because these are the main things. Simply I'll go to generic models. Okay. So I'll go to some section. Okay. This section or elevation. I want to create, okay, I'll go to, I want to create one I section. Okay. So basically, if you can draw I section means you can easily draw I section. But if you want to model means in AutoCAD, you can easily draw the I section. Okay, that web thickness, top line thickness, that web thickness, bottom line thickness, everything can be. But when you're modeling, how to do means, so in that case,
No.
the modeling place will work. Okay, go to modeling place. I'll take like generic model. I'll take. Okay, okay. I'll take for example I section. Okay, here we have. So these are the very important tools. If you learn these tools, you can model anything. Okay. So if you want to create your own doors, your like anything. Okay. So right now I'll go to extrusion. I'll go to extrusion. Okay. So some things like I'll mirror it by picking a pick axis. Okay. So I'll select the center line. Okay. Okay. So you can spell. So if you want to see the center line, you can. These are the draw tools. Okay. Take a line. So this is the center line. I'll offset it like a 150 mm. Okay. So this also I'll take 150, 300 mm. Offset by 300. Okay, don't confuse. I'm just saying for for your reference. Since you in further classes, I'll explain how to do this. Okay. So I'll trim here. I don't want these portions. I want, so that's why I'm selecting here and here. So these things you can delete. Okay. Now I want to complete this I section. I'll give OK, but uh, it's not taking. Why? The reason is you have to, it should not be joined. It should be fulfill the your lines. Okay. So that's why I'll take a split option. If I'll take trim here, entire thing will. So that's why I explained split option. So in this case, you can split here, trim here, this will here. So the section should be like this. Okay. And here I want to give some arc kind of things. Okay. Select this option. So select this one, select here, some arc kind of things will can give a radius also. Okay. We give 50. Okay. So this you can mirror. Okay. Now we can. So these things also you can mirror by draw axis. Okay, these modified tools are regularly you can use. Okay. If you are doing any model, any drawing, so this modified tool be useful. So it can, so it is placed here. I'll select this one. I'll move here, from here to here, and join elements. Okay. See now. So if you want to add any material means I'll give some steel material. So iron. Uh, 3D view. See here. Okay. So the extrusion, the height I'll take, let's say 1 meter. Okay. So this is how you can create your section. Okay. So you can drag where you want, how much you can drag. And that's why I'm telling. So if you learn these tools means you can do anything, you can model anything. So today I'm going to stop here. So we can do practice these things. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with a new topic. So in this architecture tab only. So tomorrow we'll cover column, some curtain options, floor options. Okay. So you got it right? If you have any doubts, means you can ask me. So those are online. They also you can raise your hand and can ask your questions. Okay, still we have 5 more minutes. Yeah, so I don't know where it is sharing, but they know where it's in. I'll inform them, they'll share it. Okay, so any doubts you can ask me in 5 more minutes. So yeah, tomorrow what I'm planning means so one will available. Come tomorrow 10 o'clock. I'll be there till 1 o'clock. So tomorrow the class I'll take 2 hours class I'll take. Okay. 2 hours or 1.5 hour I'll take. Yes. At what time? 11:30 to 2:30. Okay, I'll check with them. I'll let you know the timings. Okay, tomorrow, today night or tomorrow morning, let you know. So don't worry, who are not unable to attend the class. We'll recall once again those classes. Okay. You have recordings. I'll recall once again those class, the missing classes also. So I'll explain. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's session, and I'm not happy with it. Okay. So tomorrow the office will be open. It's not all. You can come and practice. I'll be here on the afternoon. So we can. So do practice. If you have any questions, anything in our mind, you can ask me. So yeah. So silence makes no doubts. Okay. Still 3 minutes left. And ask you questions. So don't hesitate to ask your questions. Feel free to ask your questions. Okay. So we have to get more doubts, then only you're practicing or you're understanding. Okay. Okay then. Bye everyone. So mostly sometimes like 5 to 10 minutes get delay to traffic, and mostly I'll be available on the time. Mostly 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So you want to open the Okay. Okay. Right. And one more thing. Write your names. Yes. Okay, leave it. Okay. So you have to copy from here. So I'll tell to Sunil to copy this. So mostly the US, you can use the US method. You can use US also. If you want the Indian method, so you can copy from here. So as Sunil, I want to, so we need to copy those files, you can place it here. And you can use mostly US. No, no, this is not that. I just want to. Yeah, that also. You are interested in the ideas. Oh. Yeah, yeah. I'm also working in the visual side. Sure. That's your interest. Yeah.